Boy, that's way zoomed in. Here, let me zoom out. Because I'm pretty sure that's a black widow, and it's a big one at that. That ain't no little one. Most black widows are pretty tiny, but I can't see its tummy, but from here, and it's not fuzzy, it's shiny. Ooh. It sure looks like a black widow to me. Sorry about the shaky, but I'm leaning against the pole. Oh, where's your belly, dude? Let me see the belly. Oh, that just looks gnarly. What is it with the bugs lately? Are you guys nervous? Can Johnny get a little closer without getting bit? Can you see if it's got the red little tummy? I can't see. I got my arm all stretched out. Oh, it's not clear. Sorry, guys. Oh, come on. Oh, that's gnarly looking. Did I scare you? Are you laughing? Oh. Sweet dreams.